circular breathing. But they didn't worry about getting a lot of good sound. But what we want to do here is to give you access to traditional technique to have the fullest sound you can have in your expression through this instrument. My son here, Jatpala, Nabalang, Jawoyn people, we want to share this with you. We're a long way in our country now, but we've done our first sound, and now we're going to move into this, which is our cheeks. Because you play the didgeridoo not in your head, you play it in your body. It's a playing instrument of feeling. When we talk about cheek, well, here now where we're sitting down, this is like freshwater country, stone country, Mimi, spirit, everything here. Old people like Mimi, they all live this country now. Too easy. Let's try the exercise. A wet instrument is better than a dry one, believe me. It makes a lot of difference in the sound.